Hello guys, how are you? I hope so you'll be fine. It's me Sulaiman Khan. So today we're gonna discuss about technically on the of the gold chart, and we're gonna see that either we should have to look for the buying opportunities or either we should have to look for the selling opportunities. Now, if you will open like higher time frame charts H1 or H4, you're gonna see that we are at the key support area. So this is the key support area. If you are looking for a selling side, you should have to you should have to wait at least if market will gives us the closing of at least 30-minute time frame chart below 3308, then we can look for furtherly 3290, and this is a whole complete like a buying zone until 3292. We are looking for the buying zone. This is the buying zone, but right now here we're gonna see on smaller time frame charts the possible opportunities that either we should have to look for the buying or either we should have to look for a selling side. So here you guys can see that market was just like it was like creating lower like higher highs, like lower lows, then again lower highs, then again lower lows, and then highs, and then now we can see that market again will goes for the lower lows and this way. But here there are some things that seems like that maybe a market this time, maybe market can goes above this area. What are those things? We're gonna discuss those things in our like in this video. We're gonna cover it. So here you guys can see, if you will draw this parallel channel, so this was the area. I'm gonna make it more clear with you guys, hope so. So here you guys can see that market was just running in between this channel. So this is the channel so in which market was just running in between that. So let me make it, yeah. So here if you look at here, let me make it more pixels, so in this way you will be not be confused. So guys, if you look at here, that market was just coming and going to the resistance, then again market falls downside here, then this admits pivot area, market starts its movement toward the upside, then again market break this pivot area and again falls downside. So here you guys can see that since from the morning market is still though above the pivot area, and right now it seems like that on a smaller time frame chart that market is trying to break this structure. If market gonna break this structure, then we will be first of all looking for the 3350 area, then again 3350, sorry. Then if market will be able to break this as well, then again we're gonna look for the 3396. So this is right now the possible scenario for the gold market is. So if you are looking for the proper buying area, so I'm gonna suggest you guys that you need to wait for the closing above this zone area, then again on the retest you might guys can easily look for the scalping buying opportunities. Now here guys, one more thing, one more clear structure is happening on the same 15-minute time frame chart. If you will even though draw your parallel channel here as well, so this is right now a really nice channel is forming right now. So here you guys can see, yeah. So if you look at here more precisely, let me make it more clear for you. So here you guys can see that I have taken this from, I have started from this area, and I have taken this area, I have taken this area, and I have ignored this area. Why? The reason why, because that from this area market starts its movement upside. This is our pivot area. As you can see that market is intersecting from here again and again. Again this is the resistance area, again pivot area, again market starts as falling downside, and again market is at that resistance area. And still though if you look at here, again near the pivot area markets little bit gives us little bit like momentum toward the downside, and again market starts its movement toward the upside. So here you guys can see right now, you can see market starts falling from this area. Why? The reason is because of this parallel channel that we have drawn before. And right now if market will be able to break this key zone area, that is 3320, until like this will be the zone. If market will be able to break this area, then we will be first looking for 33925. So right now here, if you are looking for the buying side, if you are looking for the buying side, I will suggest you that you need to wait for 3325 till 30 area. If market will be able to break this area, then you guys have to look for properly buying side. Otherwise, don't. I will suggest you that you should have, if you want to look for the selling side areas, so you should have to wait for this area, key area, 20 till 3325. So either you should have to wait for this area. If market will break 3325 area and give us little bit retest, then on the basis of retest, we're gonna look for the long-term buying trades. This is the first thing. Or second thing is that if you want to look for the downside buying area, so this is your first key scalping area, 3313 area. As we in our VIP, we just entered in a buying trade from this zone as well. So if you are looking for the, again, for next, your buying will be at 3300, but this will not be that much short buy. So your prominent buy will be at, if you want to buy more, so you have to buy at this zone, 3283 or 3285. So this is right now today's analysis. I hope so you understand it, and I hope so you like it. I have tried my best to tell you with a simple ways, so in this way you will not be confused yourself. So keep must like and share this video. Thank you very much.